Hey my lovelies, welcome back to News Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to make authentic, smooth and love-free Okpa Enugu. I'm going to show you how to make a love-free Okpa and also going to be sharing lots of tips and tricks to get your perfect smooth looking Okpa every time. Up here is the ingredients I'll be using. I have my habanero pepper, dry pepper, salt, uziza seed, okpa flour, red oil, cold water, and hot water in the kettle. To begin, we're going to be mixing the batter and the ingredients together. First, in a clean bowl, add in your red oil, hot water and cold water to dilute. Mix thoroughly to combine. Let's go in with your okpa flour. Up here is where I was sieving the okpa flour to avoid getting lump while mixing. Mix gradually to combine. You can make use of turning stick or a clay hand like I'm using to break up any lumps in it. Next, keep adding the remaining warm water bit by bit as you mix. Please do not add all your water directly into your batter. If you do that, you're not going to get the perfect smooth texture that you want and the consistency as well. So please take note. The water should be adding bit by bit. As you add, you mix it. You watch the texture and the consistency as well. Next, I'm going to add in my blended pepper mix with uziza. And salt to taste. Give it a thorough stir to ensure the spices are evenly combined. Here we are looking for a slightly rich consistency. We want slightly rich consistency, not too thick and not too watery. If it is too thick, the okpa will come out hard. If it is too watery, it won't set properly. So it should look like a smooth pourable batter. Just the way you're seeing it on my hand. The way you're seeing it, it won't be too watery and it will not be too thick. That's exactly how you know the consistency you want. Next here is a wrapping and cooking stage. So give the batter a quick stir right before scooping, as the flour tends to settle at the bottom of your bowl. Next, pour the batter into your nylon bag. You can make use of plantain leaf or nylon bag as I'm using, or container, whichever one you want.
If you're not careful, you're only just gonna make a mess the same way this happened to me now.
And then tie them securely to prevent leakage. Gently drop the wrapped bundle into the pot of boiling water. Please do not tie and keep, to avoid one side getting hard and the other soft after cooking. Repeat the same thing until you finish wrapping them. Cover your pot to cook on a medium to high heat for about 60 minutes. Remember to check in the okpa after 30 minutes of cooking to turn it so it will cook evenly. "60 minutes later, my lovelies, our authentic Enugu Okpa is ready. Can you see that? I'm salivating already. For you to know when it is done, you're gonna take one wrap out and cut into two. And if it's not sticking into your knife, your okpa is ready to serve and enjoy. If you have any questions about this recipe, feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.